You are welcome back to Eva's kitchen. Today we are going to be making Nigerian jollof rice with catfish, and these are my ingredients for today: catfish, vegetable oil, cucumber, tomatoes, onions, rice, salt, ginger, garlic, chicken seasoning, curry powder, fresh pepper, chili pepper, and tomatoes, which have already been blended, and tomato paste. First of all, wash the rice before parboiling it. Now I'm putting water for the parboiling. I'm going to allow it to boil for 5 minutes. The first step of preparation of this stew is to heat your vegetable oil. While the vegetable oil being heated, I start by chopping my onions. As you can hear, my oil is hot enough, so I pour in my onions. Then I put in my tomato paste. Then I put in my fresh tomatoes. My chili pepper. My fresh pepper. Then my garlic and ginger. The next thing I'm going to do is to add a bowl of water for the rice. Then I add in my chicken seasoning, salt, my curry powder, and then I stir. Then I put in my rice, my catfish, for it to boil at the same time. Don't forget to monitor the channel to avoid burning and overcook